Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suleiman and I'll be showing you a bit of my chicken, my spinach patch here. I'll show you, if you look at my previous videos, you see I've shown you some of it. Now here I've also grown some, I've already potted some kales. These are my potted kales, which I'll be showing you the development much later, not now. At the moment they are still seedlings, very young. I've also potted some spring onions. Um, with me here I have some sugar canes for the family. It's so windy, sorry for that. Got some aloe veras for the chicken and some other African herbs, greens, I don't know the names. So I have some herbs here. We have lemongrass, these two pots, and I also have some turmeric and ginger. This is turmeric, still not grown. This one is ginger. Now this one is my raised bed patch where I've also grown spinach. The reason for growing too much spinach because we have a shop where we sell spinach. So I have a small grocery shop. I usually sell this spinach, so that way I'm growing a lot of them. Have market for them. Then you have black nightshade. This one, these are the bed, but it's a mix. It is mixed with onions. I have strawberries, but they won't be growing there. I have kales again. I think I have amaranth somewhere around here. It's mulched. Then we go the next bed. Growing where I'm growing cowpeas. They are very nice. They grow. Actually, they grow very pretty fast. Within a span of 4 weeks. Oh, not 4 weeks. Sorry, 4 weeks. 4 weeks. 4 weeks. They are good for vegetables where you'll be able to eat the greens, not the cowpeas themselves. I'm not growing them for the seeds or the beans. I'm growing them for the vegetable parts, where the leafy parts. I'll be eating. It's a mixed. I have pumpkins over here. Also have amaranth and also some black nightshade, I think. This is a mixed bag of a bed. I have my arrowroots, but they're not doing nice. I think there is poor ventilation on the bucket. My strawberries, also I got them from some cuttings from a friend. They are, this one is not going very nice, but this one is going nicely. I'm also growing them mostly so that I can be able to harvest more seeds or saplings from them, so I can be able to replant them into another container. These spinach are, I think, from the time I was given them, I replanted them because I bought the seeds from another farmer. I think they are almost 5 to 4 weeks, a month old. So if they are a month old, these are very big. We can't harvest them yet, but I know they are going to be very big. One thing I love about planting this spinach, they require little maintenance, and they are just easy for any beginner. For any beginner who's beginning a kitchen garden, I think spinach should be the first choice because they just do well. Just have to prepare the soil. One thing they love is manure. Here I have rabbit manure because I have rabbits. I also have chicken manure. and I bought some cow manure, which the guy who sold me the cow manure, I think he did not sell me the cow manure, he sold me the donkey. That's okay, it's doing just nicely for this part. This is the first bed I made. I think I never showed how I made the bed. This is the first bed, then the second bed, which has black nightshade, then the other bed that has cowpeas. All these greens, they may be viewed like they are plenty. This because this side of the bed, I also have the other side where they are the they are the whatever them the containers and the other spinach patch. They may look big, but I have a shop. Now this shop is where I sell my own greens. I grow to sell. So I'm the farmer, I'm the retailer. I'm also the retailer. I'm also the end user because we also use these to keep the family fed. This is a small space, and I'm able to get roughly in a week around maybe 20 kgs of spinach. Now after sometimes, if this spotted chaos matures nicely, I'll be able also to be getting maybe around 10 or 5 or 6 kgs in a week of chaos. This is a lot of chaos, and I won't be buying onions. This is my compound, but I'll reserve them. I want to plant them somewhere along this wall and have what do you call this? Plant them in a row, one upon each other. So that's all, guys, for today. Thanks for watching.